Hello and welcome to a before you buy comparison video. This one we're going to be taking a look at Revell's 1964 Ford Fairlane, also known as a Ford Thunderbolt. On the left we have an original 1990 release of the Russ Davis Ford Thunderbolt that came out in conjunction with the Tasca Ford Thunderbolt. And on the right we have a 2008 special edition series in which they first released the 2-in-1 with the optional parts and new tooling. So that's what we're going to compare and see what was added in the kit. Okay, now that I've had a chance to get through everything, I can share with you my results. Again, this video is more about the differences or the additions that come in the 2-in-1 kit. If you'd like to see either one in a full unboxing, I do have both on my channel, and I will leave links in the description for those. But moving on, the obvious difference is the molded in colors, with the Russ Davis in orange and the 2-in-1 in white. So that'll make it easier as we go along. One of the first differences is the instructions. The 90 version having a older map style unfolder. Still a nice set of instructions. There's our decal layout there. The 2008 has the more modern Revell book style. Large pictures. Very nice. And the decal placement on the back. Now we can talk about those decals. Again, the Russ Davis Ford is a drag race only option in the box. And there is our race decal set. And on the 2-in-1 we have a custom and race package. Custom getting the flames in the Ford Fairlane for a race package. We do get multiple side trim colors, red, white, and black. And now getting into the actual plastic parts. First up is on the 2008. They do not show that it comes with the teardrop hood, but it does, just like the original. So everything that is in this box is in this box, other than the decals. So this box is merely just an additional of a more street version. And now we can go into those, and one of those first street versions is that flat stock style hood. Moving on from there, here we can see the trees are identical other than this top row, which includes 2 rear steel wheels and 3 wheel backs. And to pair up with those, we get 1 more wheel back here and 2 front steel wheels. So that's a full set of steel wheels that gets added. And that is because the originals, those rears are much larger than the fronts. So now we have a full set of race steel wheels and a full set of stock style steel wheels, along with the 2 additional custom sets. But to go along with those stock style steel wheels, we have duck dish hubcaps with the Ford emblazoned on them, and a more stock style air cleaner, as the race version has those dual snorkels that come up to the grill, and our stock version has inserts which they have added to the chrome tree. As you can see, they just plugged in a couple of headlight buckets there, and there's those custom wheels as well. To go along with those stock style steel wheels, we get an additional set of standard type tires over the drag slicks and skinnies. And lastly, we get a set of exhaust, which includes a muffler and exhaust tips to create a more street style version. Again, this is kind of like a 3-in-1 because you do have a stock, you add some flames for custom or custom wheels. And the drag version, either do it as this box art, or you can do it up as the Thunderbolt with the teardrop and open grill inserts. And that should do it for this one. I appreciate you watching.